clapping. Like, why am I always clapping? Welcome back to Exclusive D. How you dolls doing today? In today's video, I'm just gonna be showing y'all this hair that I received from WIG. See, they have like 2 different names on Amazon. They have 3 different names. It has Wigs, AZ Wigs, and they have Cool2Day Inc. So all those 3 company names are just one company, just to let you dolls know. Before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on my social media. The wig came in this bag and it says Azo Wigs, and as a sticker it says Cool2Day Inc. Short lace front human hair, but it's actually a closure wig, as you'll see in the next clip. And it also came with a wig cap, and as for the wig, you see that on the lace closure part, it has this net on it. I just cut it off. You can keep it on for your preference. There is 3 wig combs in the temple of the wig, and also a wig comb in the back, and also adjustable straps. As for the wig, this is how the closure part looks like. I will be plucking it, and here's how the length look, just to give you an idea. The black bottle got to be glued, and the free spray in the yellow bottle to lay my wigs down. They do have longer lengths, so you don't have to get 10-inch. They have way longer lengths. Yeah, and this is 100% human hair. It feels so freaking soft. It's so like soft. I didn't cold wash it or nothing. It looks better. When I first put it on, I didn't like it. I was just like, oh no. But once you I'm gonna show y'all. Once y'all lay your wigs down and then put the baby hairs, it's like palm as hell. 2 small front pieces are longer. It's just like a little bit inch longer. But I feel like I know the concept they're going for. If you can see, like, from the Amazon store, as you can see, like, the lady hair is like bump at the bottom. So I see the concept they're going for. The side, and right now it's a little bumpy because I didn't strain it. It sheds like 1 or 2 strands. Like, see, it's like 1 or 2 strands. Like, I usually wait. I don't like to say like from first initial review of if the hair sheds, but you know, I feel like if you're getting a fresh new wig, you gotta see if it was shed on site, like on site, you know. But yeah, let me see. It's not shedding. Nah, I think it's from cutting the lace off. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's from cutting the lace. Y'all just gonna watch me. I'm gonna show you how to make a lace closure wig look bomb. Some lace closure wigs look like a frontal. So you can part it however you want to part it, because it is a 4x4. So it's like right here, and the part goes all the way back here. See? You just need plucking. And I'm not going to bleach my knot, so you can part it. However, I like this. I kind of like this. What do y'all think? This is cute. The side part. The side part is really cute. I feel like all I do is middle part. So, okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and strain it, and then do the baby hairs and all that good stuff. So enjoy as I do this. This remind me of doobie hair. Like either doobie hair to make the lace, not the lace, to make the bobs, like you know how you want to get your bobs done, and they had the doobie hair with the purple in it. They had the doobie hair with the blonde in it. Oh my god, that was some lit days. Like before all that little virgin hair and all that, these wigs and lace fronts and closures, it was the invisible part. Like I am not that old, but I know what I'm talking about. Like I'm only 23 and I know what I'm talking about. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. If you know about that doobie hair, you lit. Like you are actually little, like you're lit. Like I love them days. Take this side down. And we're just gonna get the comb, just to fluff it. And go like that. Throw some like things in there. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna go get some hairspray. Oh, I could put free spray. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get free spray. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Let's see. I want the bangs to be like really fluffy. I can't see. How it's looking, y'all? Like I don't want it to be hard. Like if y'all know what I'm talking about, like I want it to be like fluffy. Like a fluffy bang. Alrighty. We're gonna go with that because I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna comb this down. Down on the side because it's looking a little grungy. I'm gonna lay my real hair down on the sides. Like, you know, just a little bit. The real hair. Ooh. I'm just gonna hide that like this. Yeah, I feel like all I needed was some gold teeth and some long nails. So this is my finished look. Let me hide these little right here, whatever's going on. All right, so this is my finished look. And this is so simple. I'm glad I made it to the side part because I need a side part. So just let me give y'all the 360. I love it. It's super cute. I don't want to spray it, but yeah, so I love it. I think this is so freaking cute. I feel like somebody unteased it from the 90s. Yes, dolls. Get into this wig. Y'all, what do y'all think? Like, I think this hair is bomb. At first it's like but it just need a little work, you know. You can do the middle part. I'm definitely gonna be wearing the middle part when I don't feel like wearing a side part. I'm definitely gonna be doing both. But yeah, I feel like you can rock it any way you want. Like a middle part, you just have to do what you gotta do. Like, you know, do what I showed y'all what to do, and you got it, dolls. Like, I mean, this is really, really cute. Like 90s vibes, 2000 vibes. Like, yes. So let me give y'all a 360. Make sure I don't hit the camera. Maybe I didn't get all the bare hair in the back, but y'all get the concept. But anyways, yes, dolls. Like, I didn't have to cut it, so this is just the layers that it comes in. I do no cutting. Y'all saw what I did. I mean, get sure the wig is good in the back, but yeah, I'm definitely, yes. Y'all, what y'all think? Thank you, dolls, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on my social medias, and yeah, I'll see you next time.